Weekend soon!
Yes?
Game on the fella!
Okay.
Grab it, grab it, grab it.
Yo, long time no see.
Oh.
I was a public, so I was close by. I didn't feel like
Yeah, I mean, you cannot.
I didn't feel like he was in the bathroom, so I came over here to stop by if I couldn't use your restroom.
Alright, go ahead. It's upstairs.
Alright.
Zamon?
Yeah.
Que vai fazer? Well, bem, galera. I'm about to take a shower so I can go get wet. Weekend soon!
Yes?
Man, leave la, so, me going to take a shower, and so I can go to work, okay? Mais mettez leave la, leave la, s'il vous plaît, ok?
Oh. I did this for a while.
Qui est-ce qui n'a pas... Non, pas doum là, I'm just in the toilette. C'est pas ti ça moulin.
Yeah.
C'est américain lié.
Yeah.
Yo man, my friend, today I gotta go to work, I gotta pay my bills, I gotta feed my son. So can I give you 2 minutes, my friend?
What?
My friend, hurry up, my friend. I gotta go to work.
What you say?
I gotta go to. Can't your device? I gotta go to work, my friend. You got 2 minutes. Hurry up, my friend. My friend, oh boy, me say que lá can vin na puli vin water me some get back to me. I pay the bills here. Now you. Oh. My friend, hurry up, my friend. I need a poop. I need a shower. My friend.
I don't see the toilet paper.
The time is running out, my friend.
I don't see the toilet paper.
I didn't give you a damn. Hurry up, my friend. Oh. Live in water, no time. Mes amis. Oh. My friend, American, American. Oh.
Okay, I see you.
American, hurry up, my friend. The time is running out. My friend, I pay the bills here. Not you. I pay the bills here. Oh. American, we have a time. Oh. The time is running out, my friend. Open the door. Oh. My friend, open the door. Oh. Nigga, I can't carry. Live in water là.
Don't go in there for 45 minutes.
Qui devait le bout d'âme. Oh.
BJ.